Hello guys! For today's video, I will share with you kung paano nga ba mag-upload ng YouTube Shorts. So kung bago pa lang po kayo sa aking channel, do subscribe to my channel, Mrs. N Vlogs. So una, punta po kayo dito sa right side and click this icon and click upload video. And then, select your desired video. So, take note, kailangan po ang YouTube Shorts maximum of 60 seconds and should be a minimum of 15 seconds. So, hindi po lalagpas ng 1 minute. So, select files. So, this is my video and open. So, kung mapapansin niyo po sa taas, may nakalagay na po siya. It looks like you're uploading a short. So all your shorts are automatically considered for shorts ad revenue sharing. So here, type the title that you want, and also you can put hashtags. And also the description of your video. You can tag your channel. Okay, and for now, you can't change the thumbnail on your shorts. So kung ano po yung nasa thumbnail, automatic na ayun na po yung magiging thumbnail niya. So, hindi po natin siya mababago. And playlist. So, no, it's not made for kids. And also, you can put here your desired tags. Okay. And then, allow all comments and click next. So, ito, yung mga ad suitabilities. Does your ads content, title, description, or keywords contain any of this following? So, hindi naman po siya wala naman po siyang ganitong content. So, none of the above. So, save for ads. So, if yung inyong pong YouTube channel is monetized na, so meron na po siyang ads. So, ito po ay save for ads. Submit rating. Okay? And next. So, add related video. Kung may related video po tayo, add po natin. And next. So, checks, issues, wala po siyang copyright, and ad suitability, no issues found. So, lahat naman po siya ay check. So, we can continue. Mapapublish na po natin yung ating short. So, save public and publish. So, 50 seconds lang po yung aking shorts. So, ayan na po. Kung mapapansin nyo po ulit, 57 seconds lang po yung video ng shorts ko. And close. So, here, sa YouTube Studio, meron na po siya dito na shorts. So, doon nyo na po siya makikita. So, naka-public na din po siya and naka-on po yung monetization. So, yun lang po. So, sana po nakatulong po ang video na to sa inyo kung paano mag-upload ng YouTube Shorts. So, thank you for watching and see you.